There was once a time when each town would keep track of time themselves, setting the town clock to noon when the sun reached its highest point in the sky. When railways began moving people across great distances, schedules became very confusing because of the varying times set in different towns. We needed to standardize time so railways could operate efficiently. A Prime Meridian as a common zero for longitude was agreed upon in 1884. Greenwich, England was selected as the international standard for 0 degrees longitude, thus establishing the 24 time zones. Time zones are based on the fact that the Earth moves 15 degrees longitude each hour. Since there are 24 hours in a day, there are 24 standard time zones. Time zones are counted at 15-degree intervals from the prime meridian and extend 7.5 degrees either side of a central meridian. For example, Australia lies in the 150 degrees east central meridian and includes all locations between 142.5 degrees east and 157.5 degrees east. Calculate time zones by first determining whether the time zone is in the eastern or western hemisphere. If the time zone is east of the prime meridian, it will be at an earlier time than Greenwich Mean Time, or GMT, which is now recognized as Universal Time Coordinator, or UTC. If it is west of the prime meridian, it will be a later time. Next, count how many time zones away from GMT the location is. For example, Greenland is one time zone to the west of GMT, so we subtract 1 hour from GMT. When counting the number of time zones away a location is, count the time zone your location is in, but do not count the time zone that Greenwich is in. The international date line is an imaginary line lying 180 degrees in the line of longitude on the opposite side of the Earth to the prime meridian. This line separates one calendar day from another.